Hi everybody, this is Rachel Olson. I am your librarian for CST 105, and this is a quick video to introduce the Spring 2022 library module that you'll be completing through your Canvas course. So I wanted to show you how to do it. So you're going to click on the welcome, and you'll be watching this video. If you're watching this video, you've already completed this first step, so great job. Be sure you're reading the information, watching the videos, following instructions as you go through. It's really pretty straightforward, but I want to give you a quick tour. And like it says here, if you need help at all during the time that you're completing this module, please feel free to email me and just give me about 48 business hours for a response. Oh, and one thing that I forgot to mention, I'm going to go back for a second. The library guide for CST 105, I highly encourage you to pull this up in a tab as you're going through this module because it's chock full of resources, many of which I don't have time to cover in the module. So I highly encourage you to look at the different tabs. There's also a chat box here. You can feel free to use the library's chat service. You can also schedule an appointment by clicking schedule appointment, and that will help you get booked on my calendar. So let's go through the module, but I do encourage you to use this guide and bookmark it. So the first page talks about forming keywords, which are really important when you're doing searching for resources, whether through the library or through even Google. Good keywords can really make a difference. So read over this content, complete this little activity, watch the video, and then go to the next page. Then we're talking about finding scholarly journal articles because for many assignments, including some in CST 105, you are required to use scholarly journal articles. So read the content, watch this little video. All the videos have captions. You can turn them on. You have another video here which shows you specifically how to use a database called Academic Search Complete through UNCG. So that's going to be a really important one for you. Talks a little more about the research process. You have a little activity, true, false. If you are interested in learning more, you can check out this video that's linked here. It talks about the library's catalog system, which you're not required to do for this module, but I highly, highly recommend it for you. Then you have a checkpoint. So you're going to need to put in your name, your CST 105 instructor's name, answer these questions, and be sure you click submit. And with this one, this question is open-ended. So it means Google is not going to auto-grade this. I have to go in later and grade it myself. So when you submit, it's not going to give you these points. Don't panic. It doesn't mean that you got it wrong. It means that I still have to go in and grade it by hand. So you'll get your updated score later. Don't worry. Then we talk about evaluating sources. Read over this. You can also learn more using these tutorials that I've linked to. This is optional. This is all about how to learn about different methods of evaluating sources, and I highly recommend it. APA citations are very important, including oral citations, which is something that is required when you're doing speeches for this class. So APA is fairly straightforward. I encourage you to check out the resources like the APA style blog that I've linked here, looking at different reference examples. It talks about the difference between a bibliography and a references list. In APA, it's a references list. They're basically the same thing. Talks about capitalization. You have another little quick check activity. And then the final page is just a quick evaluation to kind of think about what you've learned. So you'll just answer these questions, click submit, be sure you click submit. You go to next, and it says, congratulations, you've successfully completed the module. So if you have any questions, again, feel free to contact me. Please use the links. Please read the content carefully, watch the videos carefully. I will send your instructor your score, and that's about it. So have a great semester, and good luck on the module.